Hey there, in this video we'll be talking about preventive maintenance and all the topics within it so you understand how to better run your facility and implement a preventive maintenance program so you can take better care of your assets and ensure proper uptime and streamline the efficiency and cost effectiveness of your facility. So let's go ahead and dive in so we can learn a bit more. So when it comes to a preventive maintenance software solution, if you're looking to implement one and streamline your maintenance operations, you're already one step closer to reducing the cost that comes with maintenance operations. If you don't have preventive maintenance plan in place, you could be losing millions of dollars a year, sometimes millions of dollars a month, depending on your business and facility. So it's very important that you have a preventive maintenance plan in place through using a streamlined software. And the good news is that by putting together an effective PM program, it won't be difficult as long as you have the right resources and you can go ahead and take a look at all your assets. And when analyzing a maintenance software to purchase, it's important to look at a few functions that it should have. So some of these functionalities include automating PM schedules for any assets based on time or usage. And then we have tracking and managing preventive maintenance work with an easy-to-use maintenance calendar. So you want to create PM checklists and attach them to your work orders, automate the administrative part of maintenance by sharing electronic work orders and letting the CMS automatically log performed work. And you want to enable people to get instant access to all maintenance data, which technicians can access via their mobile devices when out in the field. And we can improve quality control, particularly when it comes to spare parts inventory and understanding how much inventory we have, so we can track automatic parts usage and also set up low in stock notifications. And we want to improve control over your spare parts inventory through automatic parts usage tracking and low in stock notifications, as well as keep a close eye on your preventive maintenance program by tracking important metrics and KPIs. Now, your software that you're using, preventive maintenance software or CMS software, should do all this and more. So make sure to keep that in mind. So one way to handle your preventive maintenance software is to implement Limbo CMS. So Limbo CMS was designed to serve the needs of different companies of all different sizes who need to implement an effective proactive maintenance program. Limbo's platform helps teams to stop the reactive maintenance chaos through seamless preventive maintenance scheduling, automatic notifications, and complete tracking, and much, much more. And we also have dynamic preventive maintenance scheduling. So Limbo's dynamic calendar and scheduling capabilities allow facility managers to save precious hours that would be wasted manually distributing PM checklists and following up with the team to make sure that the work was done. By automating PM scheduling, the work is automatically assigned to the right technician at the right time with the right asset. This module automates everything that can be automated in order to leave managers time to what they really need to do in terms of execution. From this calendar that you can see on the screen, managers can drag and drop services to organize priorities, set specific tasks to daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, or based on events or meter readings. And they can configure the system to send push and email notifications when a PM is created or due, as well as view all open and upcoming PM schedules. Also, upon PM completion, the work is automatically logged in the assets maintenance log, which saves the technician some significant amount of time. And we also have the powerful preventive maintenance builder. With Limbo's intuitive PM builder, teams can build simple checklists or powerful conditional logic that guides technicians to make sure that the work that they do is done right away. This makes it possible to build and document maintenance knowledge so that even new staff members know exactly what to do without additional training. That means that you no longer have to rely on tribal knowledge. Limbo's PM Builder allows managers and technicians to record text or numbers to automatically update meter readings, check off that they completed a task using their smartphones, attach pictures or inspection reports, choose from predefined drop-down lists to speed up work, verify asset information such as instructional images, set estimated times to complete and set estimated times for completion and expected parts usage, and set default work priorities, and much more. And Limbo also has a custom dashboard. And this custom dashboard allows teams to track every metric that they judge important. Some of the KPIs that can be monitored include understanding where the preventive maintenance money is being spent and why, checking which asset is costing the most and why, viewing critical maintenance metrics such as MTTR and MTBF, and much more. And once you create your own KPIs, the reports will automatically be generated and updated as technicians perform the PM services. All reports can be easily downloaded and shared via Excel sheets, PDFs, and within Limbo. Now let's take a look at Limbo's 4 different pricing plans. The most basic one offers a complete work order module that allows small teams to schedule preventive maintenance, manage ticketing, and import existing data. It's ideal for individuals trying to get rid of paperwork and move into streamlined automated systems. The professional plan adds advanced reporting capabilities and a parts inventory to the work order module. It also comes equipped with a downtime tracking feature, barcode tracking method, and much more. This plan allows teams to track assets in multiple locations as well. And the business plan, which is the most popular, adds some features which is designed for medium-sized companies such as vendor management, API access, and workflow automation. It also guarantees a dedicated support team to help with implementation. The enterprise plan is designed for teams looking to organize, automate, and report on the maintenance operations across their entire organization. It allows for custom integrations and on-site implementation. All plans provide access to mobile capabilities, real-time notifications, and allow to log and manage unlimited assets. So a lot of capabilities within a preventive maintenance software and CMS software such as Limbo. Other software also has a lot of these capabilities. In this case, we do represent Limbo and we do recommend Limbo. It is rated number 1 as the top choice among bloggers as well as different different software review sites when it comes to a CMS and preventive maintenance solution though. And with that said, I'm excited for you to go ahead and streamline your preventive maintenance with Limbo CMS or another preventive maintenance software, CMS software, so you can ensure that your operation is running smoothly and efficiently and you're able to get things under better cost control, which will excite all the people that you're working with, and we'll rock and roll from there. It is a fun job to streamline all these different aspects of facility management, and I wish you the best of luck in that journey. Cheers.